In this guide, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Proton VPN. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Proton VPN. Go to the Proton VPN official website and click on Get It Now or Download. Select your operating system. You can choose Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click Download on your preferred device. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click it. Click Yes to allow changes to your device and select your preferred language. Wait for the install screen to appear and choose the installation location by clicking on Browse. Click Install and then select the option to create a desktop icon if you wish, and then click Install again to complete it. Open Proton VPN from your desktop or Start menu. Click on Sign In to log into your existing account or create a new one. Log in and then choose a server or location or let the app connect automatically. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.